I tried to grow my account fast, only to blow it up really fast. Because the only way that you can grow your account that fast is when you don't even manage your risk.
Hi, I'm Philip Teo, your host for Online Trading Summit, and I'm excited to introduce to you Karen Fu, our presenter for this session. Karen is an independent trader who was ranked #1 in a Singapore nationwide forex trading competition, competing with over 200 traders from NUS, NTU, SIM, SMU, and 5 other polytechnics based in Singapore. She also managed a top 10 ranking in a contest organized by FX Streak, where she competed with over 3,000 traders from over 20 countries. Through the years, Karen has actually accumulated over 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, where she shares trading and investing tips to her followers from over 30 countries, while also actively involved in speaking at various conferences, seminars, expos, workshops, and publicly held events in Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, and Vietnam.
You can approach this using a top-down analysis approach, okay? Meaning that you look at the big picture first. Look at the big picture. So the first step you need to look at is the broad market view. What is the macro outlook? Two things you need to learn is sentiment and also inter-market analysis. So you look at the big picture first, then after that you look at the smaller picture, then you look at the charts. Understand what I'm saying? So let's start with the big picture first.
So when you bring in the fundamentals, is it to actually complement the broad market analysis just to arrive at a general bias, or do you actually use fundamentals as some kind of trigger as well to actually get into a currency pair trade?
Okay, so the broad market view and the fundamentals is actually both used to determine the overall long-term bias that you have, whether it's bullish or bearish. Where does technical come in? Technical come in to help you determine where should you enter and then where should you put your stop loss, where should you exit the trade. Because fundamentals can tell you that you are bullish or bearish a certain currency, but then if you look at the chart, it's giving you conflicting signals, or the charts can be ranging sideways. So when there's a conflicting message, then you need to wait. But if the charts are telling you the same thing as your fundamental analysis, and also after looking at the COQ reports, which is also one of the things you need to look at, then it is a good time to go in. Like I said, sentiment and broad market view and fundamental analysis is for you to so-called generate a trading idea. Then technical analysis is for you to time your entry.